Hey again, everybody. It's end of May, Saturday the 31st. Looking to show the June Astro Excel chart. So here's the green line pressure for the month ahead. We start out kind of neutral, bottom out on the third end of the day session, and then we gradually are pushing up with a peak in bullishness on 6/8. During that day, we get up to about plus 15 and then roll back over. We've got a sharp push down on the 8th at the end of the day session all the way to the morning of the 9th till we bottom out here at 11 a.m. Down about the minus 17 line. At that point, we get back up between the 10 lines. We're hovering above and below zero until the 13th when we get a push down to another low at minus 13 and a half. Then we're bouncing around in negative territory, and we come down here and peak with the blue line at 1500 on the 16th. That's an important synchronous spike right there. And then we've got another one here just behind that on the 18th to the upside, where we've got this green and blue line peak together at 4 a.m. Then we get into a big push down from the 18th with a slight rebound, and then another big push down to below the 30 line, where we bottom out here on the 23rd at 0 hour at the minus 33 point. Then we've got a sharp upward blast, which is a pretty bullish indication with this kind of movement and this kind of pitch all the way to the 26th, to the end of the day session into the early evening, where it peaks at 2100. And then we're up above the 10 line mostly here into the 28th, and then we push down to the 29th, and then another rally up to the 30th into the afternoon at 1400. So there's a look at the green line. We'll look at the tighter picture of the blue line on the weekly. I'll do the first week of June here now in this video. Here's a zoomed in view of the upcoming week. You can see the green line flat pretty much between the 10 lines the whole week. So we don't really start getting movement on this until we get into week 2. The important pivots are going to be Monday the 2nd, 3 a.m., 8 a.m., and then again here at 1900. Then we move into Tuesday. We get this one here at minus 19 at 11 a.m. Then Wednesday the 4th at noon. We've got this peak here at 1600. On the 5th, we've got this spike peak at 5 a.m. Then nothing till Friday, where we get this push up here at plus 16 at 7 a.m. Then again, that one is after the close, so that'll be it for the week. So that's the weekly look for the first week of June.